Here's a Texas dad's review of Pacifica's SPF Tinted Lotion. Let's start with background and disclaimer. I've used this for probably 3 to 4 months at this point. Pacifica sent it for free, but they haven't paid me for it. With that out of the way, let's get to my thoughts. As a dad in Texas, it's really nice to have lotion that has SPF built in. Now this is SPF 30, which isn't super high. I typically prefer like SPF 50, but I'll take some solar protection over none. This is also my first time dealing with a tinted lotion, and I actually like it because it helps cover up any kind of little blemishes here and there. But what I didn't know when I was starting to use it was that you need to be really careful about blending it in all the way, because otherwise you'll have like tinted areas that are visible over on the side. Not a good look. I like that it leaves my face feeling really moisturized. It's one of my most moisturizing lotions. I like that about it. I do wish the bottle design was a little different though. Right now when I use it, it likes to leave those little dingleberries of lotion that harden and turn into crusty bits. Not a vibe. Also, it's really obvious to see the tinted lotion on the white of the cap, which means you need to clean the bottle a lot, but I'm pretty chillin' with that. Overall, one of my favorite lotions. Also, the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free is a must. Great to see.